Hello, and welcome to day 4, Thursday, May 27th. Let's see what you have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click async. You have two activities today in async. The first activity is a Nearpod, a grammar review on all the 4 units from our book. By now, you guys know how to do a Nearpod. If you have any questions, just let me know. Your next activity is read this article. Hi, how may I help you? And then you'll answer this question. What are some words that you would use to describe customer service representative? What did the person do or say to give them a good rating? So you'll put that here in the comment section. And that's it for async. Now, it is Thursday. That means we have class together, sync. We will continue to work on our project. So I started meeting with a lot of you. Please make sure that you are um, doing the essay because you do have a chance to win $100 if you do the essay and you complete um, some of the flip grids. So make sure you do it if you're trying to win $100. And that's it for today. Good luck.